seen you. And it doesn't do for a duck to look sheepish. It confuses the other animals.
How's it going, Ida? I see you're still sitting. Well, it's all right for some, I guess.
If you like the sound of it so much, why don't you watch the nest and wipe your wits? I just did the floor this morning.
You know, Ida absolutely love to have a crack at sitting on the eggs for a while. You know, it just looks so comfortable up there that it'd be an absolute shame to disturb you.
Huh. And what about that extension you promised to build on the nest? It's going to be cramped when the babies arrive, especially with that big one in the clutch. Goodness knows what size that chick's gonna be.
You know, I reckon that might be a turkey's egg.
Oh, Drake.
No, I had the same problem with my ex.
Oh, here we go.
We had a whole pack of trouble with the young ones, I can tell you. She had me running up and down the bank screaming, Frank Purdue, but they still wouldn't go in the water.
Drake, how many turkeys are need to be in thy nest? Must be from your side of the family.
Well, I guess we'll just have to wait and see then, won't we, dear?
Yes, dear.
Anyway, I must fly. I did tell Brewster that I've helped him count his chickens. Shall I see you back here?
Where else do you suppose I'm going to be? As a duck, when you're stuck, sat sitting in the middle of your nest, then at best you get bored. There goes Drake on the lake. I can see him through the rushes all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. Well, I don't pretend that this is all he's doing. I'm a sucker for the billing and the cooing. But when I hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my brood. Those little heads so soft and downy, their baby bobs so golden brown with the beaks constantly open waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little ducks that's walking round in a line. I'll do what any other mother would. Try to do my best in bringing up mine. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little birds that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would. Taking my ducks to town and living in style. Morning, Ida. Hello, Morning. How's the mother to be? She'd be better if the father who was better getting a father who is. I sometimes think I should have kept the decoy. Oh, I'm sure Drake would make a marvelous father. You can't wear eyes. Not him. He always does his responsibilities. I wonder if I say, if Butcher would be sitting on eggs all day,